Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn listening English with a story. Story: The Curator's Secret. Dr. Alistair Humphrey, the esteemed curator of the Blackwood Historical Museum, possessed an unyielding dedication to his work. For over 30 years, he had meticulously catalogued, researched, and breathed life into the museum's vast collection. He knew every artifact, every exhibit, every dusty corner of the grand Victorian building like the back of his hand, or so he thought. One blustery autumn evening, as the museum staff prepared to depart, Alistair found himself drawn to the rarely visited East Wing. This section, dedicated to local history, was often overlooked by tourists in favor of the more ostentatious displays in the main halls. Alistair, however, found a quiet solace amidst its unassuming exhibits. He was reviewing old architectural plans of the museum, searching for details about original construction. A persistent anomaly in the blueprints had been bothering him for weeks: a small, unlabeled space between two exhibition rooms on the East Wing's second floor. It was as if a room had been erased from the official record. Intrigued, Alistair ascended the creaking staircase to the second floor of the East Wing. The air here was noticeably colder, carrying the faint, musty scent of aged paper and forgotten histories. He paced between the two exhibition rooms, carefully examining the walls, searching for any clue, any indication of a hidden doorway. Running his hand along the aged wallpaper, his fingers brushed against a slight discrepancy, a barely perceptible seam in the floral pattern. Pressing gently, he felt a subtle give. With a soft click, a section of the wall swung inwards, revealing a narrow, dimly lit passage. Alistair's heart quickened with a mixture of excitement and apprehension. He stepped through the hidden doorway, finding himself in a small, square room, utterly absent from any museum plans. Dust motes danced in the single ray of light filtering through a grimy window high above. The room was bare, save for a single wooden chest in the center. With trepidation, Alistair approached the chest. It was old, its dark wood scarred and weathered, secured with a heavy iron lock. He carefully lifted the lid. Inside, nestled on a bed of faded velvet, lay a collection of journals bound in leather and tied with ribbon. He gently lifted one of the journals. Its pages, filled with elegant cursive handwriting, were remarkably well preserved. Flipping through the brittle pages, Alistair recognized the name inscribed on the first page: Elias Blackwood, 1888. Elias Blackwood, the museum's founder. Alistair realized he had stumbled upon something truly extraordinary. This hidden room, these lost journals, they were a secret archive, a personal record of the museum's origins concealed for over a century. He felt a profound sense of reverence, a custodian suddenly entrusted with a precious, long-forgotten legacy. The implications of this discovery were immense. The curator's secret, now unveiled, promised to rewrite the museum's history. Vocabulary explanation: esteemed, respected, and admired. Example: she is an esteemed colleague, highly regarded in her field. Unyielding, not giving way to pressure, firm and determined. Example: he had an unyielding commitment to justice. Overlooked, to fail to notice something. Example: the small details are often overlooked in a rush. Ostentatious, characterized by vulgar or pretentious display, designed to impress or attract notice. Example: the mansion was decorated in an ostentatious style with gold everywhere. Solace, comfort, or consolation in a time of distress or sadness. Example: she found solace in music after a difficult day. Anomaly, something that deviates from what is standard, normal, or expected. Example: the sudden drop in temperature was an anomaly for this time of year. Musty, having a stale, moldy, or damp smell. Example: the old books smelled musty from being stored in the basement. Discrepancy, a lack of compatibility or similarity between two or more facts. Example: there was a discrepancy between the witness's statement and the police report. Apprehension, anxiety or fear that something bad or unpleasant will happen. Example: she felt a sense of apprehension as she walked down the dark street. Trepidation, a feeling of fear or agitation about something that may happen. Example: he approached the interview with some trepidation, unsure of what to expect. Extraordinary, very unusual, or remarkable. Example: her achievements are truly extraordinary. Reverence, deep respect for someone or something. Example: they spoke of their ancestors with reverence. Implications, The likely consequences of something. Example, the decision has significant implications for the future of the company. Hope you enjoyed the story. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more stories like this. Thank you.